everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a logo to your video using Canva. So first you have to open the video you are working on or you can create a new one. Now on the left hand side here you will see the elements option. Now you have to search for logo, and as you can see here there are so many of logos available. If you can click on the graphic tabs, here you will see there are many logos are free to use. And if you have Canva Pro, you can also use the Pro available. So here I am choosing this butterfly logo, so I'm drag it and drop it to my video. Now here I can arrange it, resize it and put it wherever I want. If you want to change the color of the logo, you can change it using this tool, and you can also manage the transparency of your logo. When you are done with the adjustment, finally play the video back and check it how it looks, and once you are happy, click on the download button and save it to your branded video. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.